Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Discord. You will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Discord as you see, and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to this page of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord, and here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you